Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up trading password on KuCoin exchange. It's really simple and easy. The first thing you want to do here is you want to go to kucoin.com, log into your account, and from here we need to access our settings. So usually our settings are going to be at the very top right here underneath your profile photo. Look for the option that says account security. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to look for login password. So it's going to be under advanced settings here. Now in this case, go and click on the change button here or the set up button. So if you haven't set up your password here, you go and click on setup, and from here it will redirect you to another page, which in this case again, if you are setting this up for the first time, they will send you a verification code from your email. And once you have actually received that verification code, go ahead and enter that in your screen here, and you should be able to enter a new password and the confirmation of that password. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.